Good
Sunday.
What are we making today? We're making coffee cake from 1929. And I thought we'd do home movies with a coffee cake from 1929. Don't ask why. For some reason, I'm really stressed out about this. I'm not much of a baker. This recipe is from a book called Anyone Can Bake. There are two things I'm changing. I'm not going to change the ingredients. I'm going to make extra crumb topping. I can't risk not having enough crumbs. It says bake it at 400 for 20 minutes. I will be using a silicone mold for individual cakes. The original recipe is in the description. For the cake ingredients, we're following it to the letter. For the crumbs, we're doubling it. I'm going to be sifting. I've never sifted. I don't know. What's this for? Oh, I don't know. Okay. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking. What do you think? Didn't see anything about elbow grease. What do you think? Just a little bit more milk? So instead of 3 tablespoons of sugar, we've got 6 tablespoons of sugar, 6 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon instead of 1. We need 6 tablespoons of shortening.
crumbs. I don't know how I'm going to put it on there, but we're going to try.
This is not going to work. Is it going to melt? You know, my crumbles don't look like other people's crumbles. Why do other people's crumbles look different than mine?
I'm getting sloppy. I'm getting sloppy. It could be worse, right? I think we're going in the oven. Oh, don't spill it.
Anyone can bake. Eh. How do I get it out of there without burning myself? Oh! Let's stick a toothpick in one. I think it's done. Look what I can do, Mommy! I think there was too much shortening. Well, we've got cupcakes. I did not see that coming. I didn't think it would rise as much. Let's let them cool down and see what we got. Ooh. Okay. One. Okay. Okay. Totally comes out of the mold. Okay. Well, we definitely got a cake. Not the best crumbly, but the cakes look okay. Remember, there wasn't much sugar in them. Coffee cake. Oh. Which one should we try? Let's try this one. All right. Coffee cake 1929. It is very cinnamony. A little bit more coffee here. Let's move this. Move this over here. I don't know. Let's take another look at it. Well, it's cooked through. We baked it for about 30 minutes. Let's take another bite. Take a sip of coffee. I love the shape. I have to perfect the crumbly. The crumbly is awful. Maybe I put too much shortening. It's soft. Should we break a piece off? I was worried that there wouldn't be enough sugar in the cake. I think it's fine. Most of the sugar is the topping. Okay, final bite. We made coffee cake and I've got cake to eat for a couple of days, so that's something. That's not the final bite. Anyone can bake, maybe not. It's spongy. I think I just have to work on the crumbly. Thanks for thanks for joining me this
Sunday.
You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching!